How to log in Canva account. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To sign in into your Canva website, it is simple. All you need to do is tap open a preferred browser in your device. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Canva. Or directly type in canva.com. After you reach to the official website of your Canva, at the very top of the website, you will see a login button. Click on it. Here, it will automatically show you some of the Google account from which you can continue signing in into your Canva. If not, you can tap on continue with another account as well. You'll be given with 3 of the method, such as to continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with email. You can select on any of this, then just tap on account, and with a simple click you'll be able to log in into your Canva. If you wish to create a manually new account, just tap on continue with email, in which start off by entering your email address. So that is how you'll be able to log in with a simple click on your Canva account. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.